Hey guys! Naglakad mo, patol ka sa frame. Ano ba yun? We're gonna go to Sands Expo para kunin yung mga race kits namin for the race on Sunday! I'm so excited guys. First time to. So we're here at the Trek store near Mercure. Meron siyang hinahanap na part ng bike niya. I know nothing guys, but malay nyo, one day, who knows? Charis! Mahal yan! Ayan na guys. Hindi ako informed, nag-apply na pala siya dito. Success! Ay. Giving Dora as a navigator. We are on the way again to the Sands Expo to get our kids and I'm so excited kasi last time na nandito ako, pinanood ko yung dad ko sa race niya. And this time, the three of us are gonna go run. So, a first time for everyone. But very excited! Guys, we're here! I'm so excited. This is yung first ko na race kit claiming na sobrang laking event. It feels so legit. Nonchalant. It's so cute. Look at this. It's the alien. Ang pinakagusto kong makuha is this one mismo. A mix of my two favorite things in the world. Sully and the alien. So that's Toy Story and Monsters Inc. So siya. Wala yung card. Kasi pag nakita mo yung card, yun na yun. Walang charges. Meron na sa ilalim ko. Nakakakawa. Oh, it's cute. Lots so cute na din siya. I love it. Okay, that's it. We are gonna have dinner. Sobrang sakto kasi 11 o'clock na. Wala kami makainan. Tapos may Japanese restaurant na bukas pa. So we are... Hey guys! So, bilang Black Friday today, ang daming naka-sale. So, instead na mag-Universal Studios and mag-Sentosa for the shopping ng mga gays, you know, priorities or whatever. So, pumunta kami sa Cloud Forest kasi bumili lang kami ng postcard. Pero right now, we're about to go to Funan, Suntec, Bugis, and then Action City. So, lahat yun may Pop Mart. So, pumunta kami doon. Maghahagilap kami ng Pop Mart. Kasi nasawi kami sa first Pop Mart trip namin yesterday. As in, puro sold out. Lahat na hinahanap namin. So, we are about to hunt the Pop Marts down. And we're also gonna go around and check if we have stuff na we wanna buy. Yesterday, meron kaming nabiling shoes from New Balance. So, sa Philippines, parang 7-8 siya lumalabas. Tapos nabili namin siya dito for like 5.2k na lang. So, abangan nyo mga boodles. A part of me hopes na wala yung mga sizes ko, ganyan. Para hindi ako gumastos. Pero wala tayong magagawa. If it's meant to be, it's meant to be. So, we will see you and we will take you with us sa mga stops namin. Hungry na, no? Hindi. Video. Guys, wala pa rin kaming nakuha sa Pop Mart. Medyo nawawalan na ako ng pag-asa ng slime. Feeling ko yung next na mga pupuntahan namin wala rin laman. So, Baka it's a sign. Itigil na to. Let's get it. Okay. Manifesting green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green. Green! Or secret?
Si OA na, secret. Hindi binibigay lahat ni Lord.
Okay, okay lang.
Biglang,
Okay.
ang baba ng ano.
It's baba.
Tapon na to.
Hindi.
At least magkaiba sila ng eyes. Looky.
One.
Cutie Anna! Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Oh my God!
Ano ba?
Okay, we're gonna try a bunch of different Xiaolongbao flavors. The first flavor is the crab flavor na Xiaolongbao. Parang crab fat or something. Mas tasty yung soup. Okay. Sarap. Ang sarap. It's so yummy. Sarap. Sarap ng crab.
Chili na?
Hindi ko ito try yung chili kasi yung dad ko inubo siya sa anghang. Eh usually yung anghang meter niya nasa roof. So ibig sabihin, out of limits ko siya. Kaya pa. Sabi niya hindi daw maanghang.
Maanghang siya. Pero
Pero hindi ka na makasalita.
sumabit ng sa lalamunan ko talaga.
This is the truffle flavor Xiaolongbao.
Okay, asam sa purity.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh wow.
Ayan, pabidyo ko
That's
kasi.
rich. Truffle Liana.
Natry mo lang sa bintay ko niya.
Okay.
Amoy na amoy yung... Okay.
Grabe. That's rich. Buti pa siya rich.
Sana all.
Ang sarap. Ang sarap niya.
Oo nga, hindi siya manghang.
Sumabit lang talaga.
Guys, I don't trust them kasi lagi sila nagmamaanghang. Yung hindi maanghang sa kanila, maanghang sa akin na extra.
But it's
Good?
good.
Good Yana. Good Yana. Sarap guys. Pagbalik sa Manila, gusto ko i-try yung sa DTF. So, we shall see if same siya. We would get the crab again. We would get the crab in 8 pieces and eat it all. Di maangat. Hey guys, we are back sa hotel dahil kailangan maaga magpahinga tomorrow and marami pang aayusin. Pero success tayo for today because look at that. Mag-unbox ako ng Crybaby later. But for now, we're gonna eat our new favorite ice cream. It's a Kit Kat ice cream. It's really good, Yana. I got my Fryo! Like, as in, before ako pumunta na Singapore, ito talaga yung gusto ko talaga. As in, I really want to get this for myself. This full set. Kasi syempre, sad if like, di ko makuha yung pinaka-gusto ko. Kasi yung pinaka-gusto ko dito, guys, dalawa. This Go-Go Girl and this, the skater one. Kasi tignan nyo, parang ang happy nila, pero umiyak na sila. Parang, oh my gosh, ayoko na mag-live, pero kailangan, so laban. Ganon yung vibe. Okay, alika na. I-unbox na to, agad-agad. Here's guys, this is it. Kakainis! Ang yabang muna! Guys! Ngayon pala kami mag-celebratory dinner after a run dahil sobrang gutom and pagod kanina. Nagbanglola lang kami. Nakakainis! Guys, grabe. He's part of the 0.1. The Maangas group. Next time, part na kami dyan. Daming food, guys. Look at that. Yummy! I'm having the chicken cutlet, fried xiaolong baos, fried dumplings, and then they got grilled shrimp and fish, like a fish and tomato soup. There's more. Yummy.
It's so good. It's giving. It's giving.
They have one district.
Giving.
Giving.
This one is so good.
It's giving.
Giving! Nanginig, giving!
It's giving.
Ganyan ka na naman
Ano?
Ang tawag dito sa atin, half tea.
Meal.
Mayabang ka talaga.
So we're here at Sentosa. And anong gagawin namin dito? Honestly, hindi ko rin alam. Alam ko parang may parang kart something here. Parang Mario Kart? Hindi siya Mario Kart. Anong tawag doon? Luge. And then may pa iFly. And then ako pinaka-excited ako sa Foodiana. Para sobrang dami dito. And then we're also gonna watch the show. We're also gonna watch the show, like a special Christmas show. Guys, ito na. Magpapaka-Mario muna kami for today's video.
Mushroom.
Guys, look. The mint chocolate chip ice cream sandwich. My favorite.